folks. I'm going to make a pendant based on a Triskele Celtic style necklace. Okay, so if we cut some wire, roughly about 6 inches long, we've got something called a pin vise. There's a pin vise. They're only cheap off eBay, but they're a handy tool to have. Put the two ends of the wire into the pin vise. Okay. Clamp one out. Twist to give you an even twisted piece of wire. Try not to over twist because it'll snap, but that'll do. So got an even twisted piece of wire. Take it out the pin vise. Now, if we bend that into a hoop like this, and give it a twist there. Okay, take the other ends. Snip the end off so they're all straight, and then poke them through the bead, one of the beads, like so. Some pliers and pull it through. Okay. So we've got a loop at the top now. We'll tidy that up in a minute. Open the two pieces of wire up and push another one through, another bead through. Like so. Same for the other one. Okay. Then what let's do is bend one of the wires back. Just give it a twist around the middle, just to keep it in place. Like so. Same with the other one. Pull it tight so it makes a little triangle. And bend that one back. And again, twist in the middle like that. Okay. So you've got a little triangle now. Like so. Let's get some round pliers. Right. these down by half. Like this. And like that. Get your round pliers and just make a little hoop on the end. And then get your flats and spin it like a licorice twirl. Same again for the other one. So, okay, twist another piece of wire and then wrap it round and again do a twirl in the middle like that. And roll it again. You can adjust the wires so they get a bit of a curve on them, just to make them look a bit neater and as though they're all coming from the centre. There, that looks better. If these things keep catching on clothes and hair and things, best thing to do would be to glue them down. But it looks pretty good. And just to finish off, we will. I always put it on the wire first because on the chain or whatever you're going to put it on first, because as you finish this off here, the hole might get a bit smaller. So to finish this off, what we're going to do is just wrap that hoop. And to do that, put some round pliers in. The wire I'm using is 0.4 wire. You can use thicker or thinner, it's entirely up to you. Piece of wire, and then just wrap it round. Like so, and just snip the ends off. Just tighten them up with the pliers just to make sure they don't scratch. There you have it. Again, thanks for watching and subscribe.